In Alabama, just because it's the first state alphabetically, squatters can take possession of the property if they have the deed to the property, which is obvious, or pay the taxes on the property for 10 years. So if you have property in Alabama, you live in Florida, and you're for whatever reason hold it for 10 years, somebody can prove they lived on it, they're going to take it. Oh, I know why I was looking this up, because I'm watching this crazy show that takes place in rural Kentucky. And they gained adverse possession on some government-owned mountain. Look at Arizona. 3 or more years. If you pay the taxes on it for 3 or more years, that you don't have to live there. You just have to pay the taxes on it, which is why Arizona is such a big tax lien state.
Yeah.
Even in California, you got to pay the taxes for 5 years. And so you can go on and on. I'll put this in here so you can take a look at it. But we're in the rural land business, so we all have tons of property that we don't ever see. And if we do, sometimes we own it for years. We have properties we've owned for since we've known each other. Does this not surprise anybody?